Hello, good morning, dear students. I welcome you all on my YouTube channel. We will discuss the guest paper of Sociology for class 12th. This guest paper is once again framed by one of the expert from Kashmir University, Dr. Asif Ali Nyaiku. So before discussing the guest paper, once again, I request all of you kindly subscribe as well as share this channel. हर किसी यूनिट में दो दो क्वेश्चंस ऑलमोस्ट दिए गए हैं, तो आपको देखना है पहले से स्टार्टिंग से ही आपको गेस्ट पेपर देखना है। तो ये कंपलसरी है कि आसिफ साहब ने जितने भी गेस्ट पेपर्स आज तक दिए हैं, चाहे सोशोलॉजी का, स्पेशली सोशोलॉजी का ही या सोशल वर्क का, तो ऑलमोस्ट उसमें से 90 to 95% गेस मैच होता है रियल पेपर में। सो अच्छी तरीके से देखना है और उसको फॉलो करना है जो भी मैं यहाँ लिखूंगा। सो वी हैव गेस्ट पेपर, we have guest paper sociology for class 12th framed by Dr. Asif Ali Nyaiku. Asif Ali. Okay, so let us start with the first question is demography and what are its various variables or forms. Demography and its various variables. Question 1. Demography and variables and its various variables. What is National Policy of India 2011? Question number 2. What is National Policy of India 2011? Question number 3. What is the importance of family? What is the importance of family? What are the types of marriages? Types of marriage. मैरिज के कितने टाइप्स होते हैं, तो इस पे भी आपको देखना है। ठीक है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 विल बी लाइक दिस. व्हाट चेंज टेक्स प्लेस इन कास्ट सिस्टम? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. We have question number 5. What changes takes place in caste system? Okay. Then question number 6. Define marginalization of tribal communities. Define marginalization of tribal communities. Question number 7. Define regionalism. Question number 8. Define communalism. Okay. So coming to question number 9, we have question number 9. Women empowerment and its need. Okay. Then question number 10. We have what is the importance of social research? What is the importance of social research? Question number 11. We have difference between custom, and then we have second question number 11th, that is difference between question number 11, that is difference between schedule and questionnaire. Difference between schedule and questionnaire. Okay, then we have 12th question, that is define Sanskritization. Define Sanskritization. Okay, then we have 13th question, define modernization. Define modernization. Then 14th question we have define Panchayat Raj institution. Define Panchayat Raj institution. Raj institution. Then 15th question we will have, that is write any land reform movement with reference to special reference to J&K. Write any land reform movement with reference to J&K. With reference to J&K. Okay, so 15 questions हमारे हो गए. Now coming to 16th question, we have 16th question. Question number 16th, we have cultural globalization. Define cultural globalization. Then we have political globalization. Define political globalization. Okay, then we have what is the role of, or what is the importance of mass media in gender sensitization? 18th, role of mass media in gender sensitization. Then we have 19th question, that is what are the merits and demerits of social media? Merits and demerits of social media. Then we have 20th question, what is चिपको movement? चिपको movement क्या होता है? Then we have 20th one question, last question, define Dalit movement. So this was all about the guest paper of sociology for class 12th. Hopefully you will get enough marks from this very guest. Thank you for your cooperation.